Oh, please release and let me go, for I don't love you anymore. To live our life would be a sin. So release me and let me love again. Famole mole tatalama yau wale aima se alofa ute toe avatu. Ola maua mafutaga osega sala tumaya use iyo ufola watu ile neivasa. And I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want her near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me, my darling, let me go. So release me, my darling, let me go. Uletone mana mia oedia awa ole uaya ile ua o fili filia. Ola maua tau toga ele tata laina ile oti aitwe mafuta ile lagi oloho ya ile nu umoni. Release me, my darling, let me go. So release me, my darling, let